equation or line. Now we are going to discuss about de Broglie wavelength in terms of energy. So listen, in terms of energy, நம்ம என்ன equation எடுத்துட்டு போறோம்? mv க்கு பதிலா ஒரு substitution எடுத்துட்டு போறோம். You understand? So de Broglie wavelength is nothing but lambda equal to h by p. P is the momentum of a particle. So what is the formula for momentum? P equal to mv. So we have to write de Broglie wavelength in terms of energy. So that we are taking energy E equal to half mv square. This is kinetic energy of a particle. Multiplying this equation with m. So therefore Em which is equal to half, already m is present, and again you know m into v square. So mv square அந்த பக்கம் போகும். அது எப்படி பக்கத்துல போகும்? So de Broglie wavelength in terms of energy. What is the value of energy? Kinetic energy of the particle is represented as E equal to half mv square. Multiplying this equation with m. So left hand side Em is equal to right hand side half m. Already one m is present. So m square into v square. So m square v square which is equal to 2mv. Am I right? So m square v square which is equal to 2mv. What is the value of mv? Root of 2mv. Substitute the value of mv in equation de Broglie equation. So therefore lambda equal to h by mv. So equation is termed as lambda equal to h divided by root of 2mv. So this is de Broglie wave equation in terms of energy. So next one is de Broglie wavelength in terms of voltage. Also taking here kinetic energy equation E equal to half mv square. For the E we are substituting electron volt. So energy which is equal to electron volt, substitute this equation. EV which is equal to half mv square. Similarly multiplying this equation with m. So mev which is equal to 1 by 2 of m square into v square. So what is the value of m square v square which is equal to 2mv of v. Now we are calculating mv from m square v square. So 2mv of capital V. So we can write that de Broglie equation lambda which is equal to h by mv. So substitute the value of mv. So lambda which is equal to h divided by what is the value of mv? Root of 2mv of capital V. So V is nothing but which is voltage. So this is the de Broglie equation in terms of energy, and this is the de Broglie wavelength equation in terms of voltage. M kVV and right hand side m square v square. Denominator there are 2 get cancel each other. So 3m kVV which is equal to m square v square. From above equation we can find the value for mv. So square root of 3m kV. Substitute these values in de Broglie wavelength. Lambda equal to h by mv. The equation is termed as lambda equal to h divided by root of 3m kV. So this is de Broglie wavelength in terms of average. We have to calculate time dependent wave equation. So listen, every particle has two energy. One is potential energy and another one is kinetic energy. So the total energy is represented as sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. So listen, multiplying and dividing m in this term. So second term என்ன பண்றோம்? இந்த m ஆல மல்டிப்ளை என்ன பண்றோம் m ஆல டிவைட் பண்றோம் so you can get m square divided by m ஆமாவா so and then e which is equal to p plus m square p square divided by 2m now what is the value of p which is equal to mp so it's p square which is equal to m square into p square instead of m square instead we are substituting p square divided by 2m so write this equation in terms of wave function is nothing but it is side so e side which is equal to p side plus p square divided by 2m of side this is equation number 1 are you clear so every particle has two kinetic energy potential energy is considered as a rest energy and moving energy is considered as a kinetic energy so total energy which is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy we can multiply second term and divide it with m so we can get m square v square instead of m square v square we are substituting v square so writing this equation in terms of wave function so e side is equal to v side plus v square of 2m divided p square divided by 2m of side so listen displacement is nothing but which is y a e power minus I omega t minus x divided by v. So listen, Schrödinger equation and then quantum mechanics பொறுத்தவரைக்கும் எப்பப்பெல்லாம் ஒரு differential equation வருதோ அப்பப்பெல்லாம் அதுக்கான solution இருக்கும். Every differential equation has its own solution. That solution is represented only by e power of formula. So differentiation formula எப்படி இருக்கும் தெரியும் e square x square rho square rho y square அந்த மாதிரி formula இருக்கு. Now we can find out the value of differential equation for the wave function. So அதோட solution line. So in this displacement wave ஓட எல்லா representation a is an amplitude e power I omega is an angular frequency time displacement and then velocity. So wave ஓட எல்லா representation இதுல இருக்கா? So அதனால நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம் அப்படினா displacement y equal to a e power minus I omega t minus x of t. So this displacement is considered as a wave function. So wave function which includes 4 dimensions. X, y is that indicates the position of the particle and t is the time. So a e power minus I omega t minus x divided by t. So this is equation number 2. You know the basic equation omega equal to 2 pi nu. So substitute omega equal to 2 pi nu in equation number 2. So psi of x comma y comma z comma t which is equal to a e power minus I. What is the value of omega? 2 pi nu of t minus x divided by v. So a e power minus I 2 pi. So I 2 pi are all constant values. Nu is a variable term. So இதை என்ன பண்றோம் உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கோ ut minus of x nu divided by t. This is nu, this is p. So you have to variation in alphabets என்ன பண்ணணும் variation பண்ணி காட்டணும். So this is equation number 3. And again substitution listen already you know that E equal to h nu ஆமாவா which is energy translation E equal to h nu. What is the value of nu? E divided by h. Substitute this equation in this. So equation is termed as a e power minus I 2 pi of what is the value of mu? E divided by h. So E t divided by h of minus x into what is the value of mu? E divided by h v. Listen. So now another basic formula mu equal to c by lambda. Amava. So instead of c we are substituting v which is for particle or wave. C is for C is for wave and v is for particle. So nu which is equal to divided by lambda, and from this equation you can calculate mu by v which is equal to 1 divided by lambda. So here mu divided by v அது வேற நம்ம என்ன சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணலாம் lambda சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணலாம். புரியுதா? So first substitutionல e equal to h nu போல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்றோம், and second termல என்ன சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்றோம் mu by v which is equal to 1 by lambda, so x by lambda. This is equation number
4 variables. Psi is depend on x, y, z and t. Now we are going to apply only for x. So அதுக்கு similarly போட்டு நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். So now we are taking only partial differentiation. So psi அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கோ. இந்த bracket ல மென்ஷன் பண்ணாலும் பண்ணனாலும் ஓடலாம். நான் equation simplify பண்ணதுக்காக அப்படி எடுத்தேன். Psi. So differentiating equation with respect to x. So அதனால rho a rho x which is equal to a is constant. This is e power x term. ஆமாவா? What is the differentiation of e power x? E power x ஏதா? So I h cross of ep minus px. So instead of x we are having another term. So again differentiate something with respect to x only. So here there are two terms are there. So first term is minus I et divided by h, and then second term is plus I px divided by h cross. In this equation there is no x, so you can get the value of 0. Differentiate this equation, this term with respect to x means you can get ip divided by h cross. So again differentiation that you can get ip divided by h cross. Are you clear? So listen, psi of x, y, z and t. So psi is dependent on these four terms. So we can differentiate partially in a with respect to only x. Only x க்குக்காக நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துப்போம்? partial differentiation எடுத்துப்போம். So the example differentiate பண்ண போறோம். So rho psi by rho x. So partial differentiation we are substituting rho. Normal differentiation என்ன போடுறோம்? equal. So rho psi divided by rho x which is equal to, this is a constant of a, amplitude is a constant a. What is e power x? Differentiation of e power x is e power x. So x is பதிலா another term இருக்கு. So இந்த term மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணனும்? Again differentiate with respect to x. So here there are two terms are there. So minus I by h cross என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன்? உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனா minus I h cross of et minus into minus plus I ph divided by h cross. ஆமாவா? அப்ப இதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Again differentiate பண்ணுவோம். Here there is no x term. X term இல்ல அப்படினா which is considered as a constant. So 0 ஆயிடும் plus ip x divided by h cross. X ஓட differentiate பண்ணா x மட்டும் என்ன ஆயிடும்? 1 ஆயிடும். So ip divided by h cross. Are you clear? So listen, and then again differentiate with respect to x. So listen, so here also rho square psi by rho x square, because already you are having rho psi by rho x, again differentiation means power getting increased. So rho square psi by rho x square. Here also a is a constant and ip divided by h cross is also constant. So this is one term, this is second term, third term. So first term is a constant, so replace it, and then ip divided by h cross is also constant. What is the formula for e power x? E power x. So again e power minus I divided by h cross of et of minus px. So e power x க்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? E power x differentiate பண்றோம். Instead of x we are having another term. So again differentiating the above power terms. So here also you can get ip divided by h cross. Correct? So simplify this equation. So rho square psi divided by rho x square which is equal to a is a constant. There are two I terms, p terms and then h cross term. So I square p square divided by h cross square of e power minus I divided by h cross of et minus p of x. So listen, considering these two equations, a e power minus I divided by h cross of et of minus px, which is equation number 8. ஆமாவா? So from the equation 8, so rho square psi divided by rho x square which is equal to I square p square divided by h cross square of psi of x y z of t. So what is the value of I square? I square equal to minus 1. Substitute these values. So rho square psi divided by rho x square which is equal to minus p square divided by h cross square of psi. Now we have to find out the value for p square of psi only. So minus p square of psi which is equal to divided by h plus இந்தபக்கம்னா என்ன வரும்? மல்டிபிளா வரும். rho square psi divided by rho x square, multiplying this term with minus, so minus h cross square rho square psi divided by rho x square which is equal to p square of psi. So therefore p square of psi which is equal to minus h cross square of rho square psi by rho
x square. So write this equation number 9. Write it down. Equation 8 with respect to t. Amava. So after rho psi divided by rho t which is equal to a is constant. E power x differentiate பண்ணா again என்ன வரும்? E power x. So e power minus I divided by h cross of dt minus p of x. So listen, in this e power x, instead of x we are having a different term. So minus I e power et divided by h cross is the first term. What is the second term? Plus I dx divided by h cross. Here there is no t term. So which is differentiation of constant is 0. We are having only minus I et divided by h cross. So substitute minus I t divided by h cross. What is the differentiation of t? Sorry, what is the differentiation of t? 1. So listen. Similarly, so e power of a e power of x term நம்ம என்ன கன்சிடர் பண்ணிரலாம் sin எடுக்கலாம். So sin which is equal to minus I e divided by h cross. So divided term equal to இதுக்கு பார்த்தா என்ன வரும்? மல்டிபிள் வரும். So h cross of rho psi divided by rho t which is equal to minus I of e psi. So multiply this equation with I. So here left hand side I h cross of rho psi divided by rho t which is equal to minus what is the value of I square of e psi and what is the value of I square which is minus 1. So substitute these values I h cross of rho psi divided by rho t which is equal to I square value minus 1 into minus n plus ஆயிடும். So e psi. So this is equation number 10. So substitute 9 and 10 in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? What is equation number 1? E psi is equal to e psi of plus t square divided by 2m of psi. In equation number 9 we are having t square of psi value and in equation number 10 we are having e psi value. So substitute e psi which is equal to I h cross of rho psi divided by rho t. Am I right? So what is the value of e psi? I h cross of rho psi divided by rho t and equal to p psi. What is the value of p square? P square into psi of value minus h cross square rho square psi divided by rho x square. Already we are having 2m in the denominator. So listen, I h cross rho divided by rho t of psi which is equal to p. Taking psi as a common term, so rho square divided by rho x square of 2m which is equal to psi. So listen, this is considered as a e which is equal to I h cross rho divided by rho t and then h is nothing but b minus h square rho divided by 2m of rho x square. So h is called Hamiltonian operator and e is called energy operator. So listen, this is a Schrodinger time dependent equation in one-dimensional axis. So here we are having only x square. So this is Schrodinger time dependent equation for one dimension. So for 3 dimension, the equation is rewritten as by here the listen. For 3 dimension of the equation we change all over. I h cross of rho psi divided by rho t which is equal to b minus h cross square divided by 2m. Instead